So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand display adapters. Now you're going to find your graphics card. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on it and then click on restart now. It's now going to restart your computer. Keep on watching the video. And it's now going to start running the scan. Wait for this to load. Once it's been done, it'll take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed.